Hi everyone, this is Latanya from Benford Travel. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to go live really quickly. I am working on some client packages for a client that I have getting ready to cruise in a couple of weeks. So I just wanted to go on live really quickly to show you what I'm including in the client package. And this is just one part of the client package, this toiletry bag. Let me turn it around. This toiletry bag. This is not because of the coronavirus. This is something that if you're going on a cruise, definitely. I try to always include a couple of goodies. I have a few extra items that I'm including just for sanitation. One of which is I always include hand sanitizer. I had to search high and low to find this hand sanitizer. Went to Bed Bath & Beyond, not Bed Bath & Beyond, Bath & Body Works, and it really worked out well. Have bug spray. Dramamine, the little packets of Dramamine. Poopery is always something good to have. Since you cannot use an iron or have an iron in your room on a cruise, if you did not know that, they do have laundry stations, which do include an iron and ironing board station. But I always include wrinkle releaser. And then I have Tylenol. And as a little extra, I'm including some Purell wipes. And I always include emergency. So all of these items, I will rearrange them a little better, will go in this kit. And they will all go inside the client packet, which is this box right here that I will be mailing out. I will come on live again or do another video where I will show you the complete package put together. It probably won't be a live, it'll probably be a video because I have a lot of stuff that goes in there. So stay tuned. Please drop comments if you have any questions. Thanks. Hi everyone, this is Latanya from Benford Travel, and as promised, wanted to do a quick video to go over what I put inside of my travel kit for the client. So I have the box ready to go, and this is my standard Benford Travel backpack. Most of my clients traveling get some type of backpack that has my logo on it. Then I created a cruise bag for the family. That's a tote bag. The family is going on a cruise, and they also have t-shirts, which I will get to later, that actually match the bag. Everyone and every client that I have gets this plastic sleeve with my business card on the outside and their cruise documents inside. So first I start out with putting in the booking summary. I do have the little tabs over the confidential information that will be removed before I ship it. I have printed everyone's boarding pass, that's included. This is a map of the port because they are driving and parking at the port. Then next I put in this handy dandy cruise packing list. Every client that travels gets some sort of packing list that's customized for their destination, even if they're going skiing. But in this case, they're going cruising, so I've customized a packing list for common use items on a cruise. Then the final document, no, it's not the final document, I have one more thing, but the know before you go are key points that you need to know before you get on a cruise and how to communicate with me. And finally, their luggage tag. So each person has a luggage tag for their bag. Next, I'm going to put in this travel kit. And I did rearrange some items and pull some items out of the travel kit that I would normally put in. So I want to go ahead and put in the t-shirts. So we have 4 t-shirts. I need to just kind of smush them down to make sure that I get them in here really good. I have the wrinkle releaser, couldn't get it in the bag, the off spray, and then I'm going to put the little wipes that I included just on the top of this. This is going to be pretty snug in this box, but everything should work. It shouldn't be a problem. So every box is customized in some way with the logo or my avatar, depending on the size itself of the package. Let me just try to get the flaps in here. And I typically place the label right beside the avatar on the front of the box. So it is all ready to ship, and I will be dropping it off at FedEx later today.